To say that I was terrified of the dentist would be an understatement. I had an absolute phobia of the dentist. It was debilitating. I hadn't gone for 10 years. My teeth were horrid. And luckily I found Dr. Huenergardt, and they did sedation work, and it's like total amnesia. You don't remember anything when you come out. So no trauma at all, and I don't sweat and have anxiety attacks when I walk in now because it was so painless. I had 16 crowns done and 3 root canals, and my bottom teeth are now straighter because of all the crowns he was able to straighten up, and I didn't need braces again. So my life's changed dramatically because I'm not afraid to smile anymore. There's so many people like me that have a terrible fear of the dentist, and don't let your fear stop you from having a great smile. It's the best thing I've ever done.
I have been afraid to go to the dentist for 20 years. My teeth were yellow and ugly, and I hid them whenever possible. I hated to have pictures taken. And finally my eye tooth shattered, and I had no choice but to find a dentist. And I went to Dr. Huenergardt, and the difference is amazing. He did a lot of work under sedation. I came in. When I left, I was just happy. And he's since done other work where I didn't even need sedation because I'm no longer afraid. People compliment me on my smile all the time. They really notice the difference because the difference is really noticeable. If you have a fear of the dentist, go see Dr. Huenergardt. I can't tell you, for 20 years I was so afraid, and one visit with him, and I go every 3 months to have my teeth cleaned. I recommend him to my friends, and I recommend him to all of you out there. Call Dr. Huenergardt. You won't be sorry.
I have 2 crowns, and I also have all of my fillings removed, and I have porcelain in my teeth now. It always makes me feel terrific when people take a look at me and say, wow, your teeth look terrific. Who's your dentist? And I get a chance to tell them that Dr. Huenergardt is the one that takes care of my teeth. I'm not afraid at all to see the dentist. In fact, I go in for 2 cleanings a year. The first time I walked in Dr. Huenergardt's office, I was so nervous. I had not been to the dentist in over 10 years. My hands were wet, I was shaking. I had to bring my husband with me. He sat through the entire appointment with me. Dr. Huenergardt had 2 dental hygienists, one that was so sweet that she actually held my hand through the entire visit, and another hygienist just to assist him. And now I go and I don't have any nervousness, no tension whatsoever. I go for my 2 cleanings, and then anytime I need fillings or anything like that, I go. And Dr. Huenergardt is the best. He takes all the time that he needs with you. They've got a terrific state-of-the-art office.
I probably went 10 years without smiling fully because I was very conscious, and my teeth were just falling apart into my mouth. At times I'd have to get them out. I'd have a job, or I'd have to excuse myself and then come back when the tooth was already in the wastebasket. I tell people I don't like dentists. Ever since I was a child, if they hurt me, I bite them. And I think Dr. Huenergardt is great because he gave me Novocaine and pulled all my teeth. And I never had to take a pain pill, nothing. And he ended up doing one by my sinus cavity. I no longer have sinus headaches. I'm so happy. That's plus the fact I can smile now.
I had absolutely no teeth on the top, so I went to Dr. Huenergardt. He fitted me with a set of implants, which involves 6 implants, and now I have a full set. I can eat steak, I can eat corn, I can eat apples, I can eat anything that requires a bite, even a simple thing like a hot dog. Absolutely no pain. There's no pain to it. He gives you a sedative. You're practically 2/3 asleep during the whole thing, and before you know it, he's sitting you up in the chair and you're ready to go. Yes, I wish I'd have done it 5 years before, but this particular method was only developed in 4 years ago, so I've got the latest in implants. If you're missing teeth, go in and get yourself an appraisal and have Dr. Huenergardt give you a good idea of what the whole procedure will be. And you'll be quite amazed at the whole process, really. Don't wait. Get it done.